should juice! Hi everyone! Today I'm going to use my LaLanne juicer again. Can you guess why? Because I am sick. I know that you can't really tell that I'm sick. I can't really tell either. But either way, I'm going to make some juice because I don't want to be sick. And if you don't want to be sick, or if you even have COVID, ooh, I said the word, then you might want to juice too. So let's get started. Let's use all the produce from the refrigerator bin. We have lots of celery and carrots. And we also have some ginger. Let's look at the ginger, see if the ginger's any good. Oh yeah, and we got a nice chunk of ginger. I also like to use lemons and limes, and I picked these from my lime bush outside. Makes a good combination. Now make sure you rinse all of your produce ahead of time. Why does Marie Hansen always have a lot of energy even when she's sick? Well, let me tell you why. Because I eat a lot of produce and I love to juice. Let's get this puppy started. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Put the whole carrot in, don't chop it. Delicious! Now we're going to do the lemons and the limes and the ginger. And I just put the whole thing in there. Lemony goodness. Yummy! Yum, 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 yum. Pour yourself a glass of juice. I hope you enjoyed my video. Now let's take a big gulp. I can taste the ginger and the lemony flavor in it. I can't believe that this LaLanne juicer still works after all these years. So that was juicing with my 10-year-old LaLanne juicer. But I want to do more juicing videos. So stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be doing the BLACK+DECKER 400 watt juice extractor. And we'll see how this one compares to the LaLanne juicer. I wish good health to all of you. Bye!